Hey, 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 you know it's that time again. It's Easter time for those who celebrate. Now this is our college student friendly sugar cookie Easter themed tutorial. That's a mouthful. Here we got some sugar because that's important, some flour and some baking soda. Is it cooking or is it cleaning? I don't know. And some baking powder. Next we got some salt and 3 eggs, but we're only getting used to. Next we got some butter. This is plant butter. And now here is our decorating agents. Now first you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees because that's important. Your mom told you it was. Now pull out some parchment paper. We don't have scissors because you don't even know where your phone is. And here you are going to lay it down on the sheet for later. First, we're going to mix our dry ingredients. Here's 1.5 cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Next, we're going to add a little bit of salt. Now whisk, whisk, whisk. This is the easy part, folks. Now put that aside and whip out your metal bowl you've used for various purposes. Now gimmickly, add 2 eggs into this bowl and, some sugar. This is like 1 cup to 2 cups, depending on how much sugar you like. Now for this part, you could use an electric mixer, but you don't have one. You and I both know. So grab that whisk your mom packed for you and whisk, whisk, whisk away. It should be this weird yellow color. That's probably fine. Now you're going to add your dry ingredients in. Look, we sound like Gordon Ramsay already. And you're going to whisk, whisk, whisk that up. Wait. Oh, yeah. So, funny story. We forgot the butter from earlier. So we're just going to mix that in. And you might see we're getting a little aggressive with it because it is the end of our video. We didn't want to do this, but if you add the butter at the beginning, it really helps. Back to our regularly scheduled programming. We're going to whisk together our ingredients, and once you're done whisking together the wet and dry, it should look like this. That looks like cookie batter. Now, we're going to do the fun part. So you're going to coat them in sugar. That's what makes them sugar cookies, right? Now, when you're done coating them with sugar, you're just going to align them 1 inch to 2 inches apart. Now, we didn't do that because we didn't have a big enough sheet, but you get the point. Well, if you know the size of your conventional oven, that's a good idea, but you're going to pop them in for 9 to 11 minutes, and while those cook, we're going to do some decorating. Now, pull out some colors. The colors you pick aren't important, but these are the best colors for Easter, obviously. Add any icing you want in different bowls and put in, 1 to 2 drops of your color. Now, mix that together. Look at this green. You've never seen a better green in your life. And next, we're going to do some yellow. Yellow's cool too, and it looks cool. Now some blue. This is probably my favorite color. Look at that, so neat. And finally some pink. We're going to mix that together, and that looks really nice too. So now it's time to get your cookies out. How conveniently timed. We obviously didn't edit this part. Now look, it's cookies. You're gonna transfer your cookies onto a stable surface, and you're going to arrange them so that you can decorate them with your pals. This is a great activity for a date or if you have no friends. Now cover them with sprinkles because that's fun, right? I love sprinkles. Look how neat. Yep, you can add different sprinkles. You can add the same ones, but look how cool. Now here's a close-up of the green. Look at that green color. It looks so nice. So yep, sprinkle some sprinkles on, and there you go. Here's our tutorial on how to make these cookies. Don't they look cool? The coolest cookies you've seen in your life. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching our tutorial, and we hope that you have a good Easter. Thanks.